Good morning. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. Thank you for your request on the Google Drive for the soft copy. I just saw it this morning. I will try to to send it to you and allow your permission to allow you to get the document by today. Thank you very much for your request. And this is Mr. Handy here, Handy Clement, for your 6-month programs of the science and math, year 7, year 8, and year 9 free class. We are here to help us to share our knowledge and our experience for 8 years of teaching this syllabus online. Actually, we do have some tuition classes available for you, but if you want, you can just comment. And please, I think will you do me a favor, because our Facebook is still new. We are trying to live on Facebook as well, and we need some friend requests. So if you like to help us and motivate us, so try to look for Mr. Handy, IGCSE, Handy Clement, okay? And then the document will be available on the Facebook as well, and try to add friend with us so that uh, I can live stream on Facebook as well. Thank you very much, okay, for helping us. Your helping hand is very important for us. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. So today, Mr. Handy Clement will try to share a concept with you from this book, okay? Oxford, Cambridge Checkpoint and Beyond. Complete Mathematics for Cambridge Secondary 1. This 2 means year 2 in the KS3, which is the year 8 also. So it's a year 8, chapter 1, okay? So we are going to learn about this chapter, which is number and calculation. Okay, I won't do all. Okay, I'll pick out the most important thing and use some strategy to share with you so that you can get the whole idea of that. This will take about another 22 classes, okay, to complete the whole year syllabus. For me, I think learning, you can do it in advance, just like this course, so that the preview will help you to get more understand in your class later. And if you are good in math, I think with my explanation, you can do more exercise and practice more, okay? So I'm trying, after this week, I'm trying to do some practice on the online for this chapter 1 for all year 7, year 8, year 9, okay? You may get from Facebook, okay? You may get from Instagram, do like us from that, TikTok, and also most importantly, I think I will still put the thing on Google Drive so that everyone can have this one free online. Just download and print out and listen back to the video, and the answer will be in the video. Okay, and some answer I will write on the paper as well. Thank you very much. So today we are learning this. This is what we are going to learn today. A few copy, but this is slightly different from science. For science class, actually we need to do a colorful note, okay, so that we can have a mind map to understand the whole structure of the of that particular topic. But mathematics is not only about concept. I will teach you and together with the concept, I will uh, I will go together with everyone here to solve the question as well. Okay, practice is important in math. So today we are going to learn about multiplication and division of the, I use a red color, negative number. Negative number. Okay, negative number. Okay, so this chapter actually the first part of the year 8 also do a revision on the addition and subtraction of the negative number, but I will not do that here because yesterday year 7 week 2 I have tips for that already in the video, so I won't repeat here. Okay, so I have a small table for you. Okay, if the plus this is positive times positive will get you a positive answer. And positive times negative will give you a negative answer. So as long as there's one negative come out, the answer will be negative. Okay, this is negative, and then this is negative. So if negative times positive, okay, because this is one negative, so this will be negative. Okay, so watch out for this one. If negative times negative, okay, one stroke, two stroke, so it will give you a positive because of see one stroke and two stroke. Can you see the idea? Sorry, I think that thing cover you, right? Okay, so let's check with our answer here. Positive times positive, positive times positive will get you a positive. So my answer will be positive and then 1 times 3. Can you see? I do it separately. Positive times positive will get you positive, and then 1 times 3 will get you a number of 3. The answer is 3 here. Okay, if you cannot see, please try to comment. I have an assistant here to help me to review with the comments, okay? And however, I will also look back with this video later after the streaming, okay? So, positive 1 times negative 3. Can you see? This is positive times negative, positive times negative will get you negative. So my answer will be negative. And then only I do the numerical figure here. 1 times 3 will get you 3. Yeah. So if negative times positive, can you see? Negative times positive, because this is one negative, right? Can you see? This is one negative, so I have one negative here. And then this is one negative, then I have negative. Okay, usually the plus one will have no effect on the answer. Okay, so 1 times 3 will get you 3. Okay, now the problem is this one. Negative 1 times negative 3. If you from there, you know that negative 1 times negative 3 will get you a positive number, and then you should like a positive. So I have one trick for you. Okay, even though it may look a little bit funny, silly, but it's very useful. Okay, can you see this is one stroke, one of negative signs. So you can write one here, one sign also. Okay, on the other side for the negative 3, this is one sign of negative 3. So another stroke, can you see? So another stroke, if you want to add another stroke, you cannot do the negative again. So you need to do a vertical one. Vertical, yeah, this is a stroke. So 2 stroke will make a positive sign. So 1 times 3 will get you 3. So next time if you see 3 stroke, then you can do obviously 3 stroke. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the answer is negative. It looks silly, but it's very useful. Okay, so I have here. Okay, wait. I don't think this one should be the last one. Okay, let's come to here. Okay, for the negative part. Okay, so there's one negative, so your answer should be negative. Okay, and then the 15 divided by 3 will give you 5. There's one negative here. Again, a negative 5. There's one negative here. Again, a negative 5. This is one negative, again a negative 5. Okay. Okay, and then we need to go to the bottom part just now. Just on the one. Okay, so I have this one. This is considered. This one is a very short question. This is a long question. Long question. Long one. Okay, why? So we have this part first. Okay, let me use the gray color. Negative times negative will give me a positive 1, and then this one is the same. So I just copy. So this look like the number 1 already. Easily you can get the answer is positive 3. Okay, so we need to do it separately. So this one negative times negative 1 will become positive 1. Negative times negative 3 will get another positive 3. Can you see? 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 1 stroke, 2 stroke. Okay, so give you a 3 also. Okay, you want the Right, positive 3 will do. If not, just like 3 will be enough. Okay, let's see this one. Negative will become positive. 1, 2 stroke 1 times negative 3. Okay, now we have 1. Okay, usually the positive sign will have no effect. So we have 1 stroke. So you have 1 stroke here. And then the answer is 3. It's negative 3. So let's see the last one. Negative 1, you just copy, times 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 1 stroke, 2 stroke will become a negative 3. Will become a negative 3. Okay. So this trick, I think I try to demonstrate this trick to count how many strokes you have. And then, but be careful. This we need to do first because this is the times. Relationship is times. Okay. So just like yesterday, we have shown you this idea. So better to grab this idea well. Okay, which is this one? 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. Okay, because of 1 stroke here. 1. Okay. So if I want you to rearrange this equation, okay, yesterday we know that about making number, and also we learned about multiplication. Today we are doing only multiplication and division. So if 6 times negative 3 will become negative 18. Negative 18, if divide by this negative 3, will give you 6. So it's a inverse one. Okay, you can just rearrange this one. Okay. Same thing happen if this number a times b equal to c. If c divided by a, c divided by a will get you b. All this technique we learned yesterday. So you may look for year 7, week 2. Okay, and I will try to make some exercise for you to practice. Okay, kindly just like our Facebook page. I will be putting, and also at the Google Drive there. Okay, both sides. Okay. So another equation will be negative 3 times negative 4. 1 stroke, 2 stroke will give you positive, right? Okay, positive 12. Okay, so same thing, a times b equal to c. That means that c divided by a will get you b. So this is negative 4. So c divided by this negative, sorry, this one I made it too small. Okay, b will give you a. Okay, so again I will show you this one. A times b equal to c. So c divided by b will give you a. C divided by a will give you b. Okay. Can you see the bottom part? Because my screen is not. I cannot see. Okay. Can you see that? Okay. Thank you. Okay. The next one will be things to remember. Okay. For these two lists, actually I will be asking my student. Okay. From the very beginning of the KS3, which is year 7. Now I will give you this list. This is something to be remembered. Okay. If you want to memorize something, I think this is the thing you need to familiar. Okay. Mr. Henley always like to say this word. Okay. You can't smell the or taste the number. Yeah. If you practice more, okay. If you practice more, in 1 day later, you can do your mental calculation very good because you can already taste a number. Okay. Right, as long as you do the exercise, you see, you may know that, oh, I think I do something wrong already. Okay, I need to be checked back. Okay, this is called you can taste the number, or in other words, they say mental calculation. Okay, come, I'll do it faster. This one you can have this one from your calculator also. Okay, I will write here. What? Okay, 1 power 2 means that 1 times 1, 2 times. So you give you 1. Same thing, 2 power by 2 is 2 times 2. So we'll give you 4. So 3 power by 3 will give you 9. 4 power by 4 will give you 16, 20, 36, 49, 64, 51. Sorry, wait that. 100, 121, 144. And then be careful, this 13 times 13 will give you 169, 69, and then 14 times 14 will give you 196. Okay, another one will be this one. 15 times 15 will give you 225. Oh, there's a small number trick for you later. I will show you. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll show you now. It's fun. Okay. So here, can you see? If this is 5 times 5, okay, so you write 25, right? If you have 15 times 15, okay, so you can immediately write 25 here, okay, and then this one, you make it 2. Can you see? You make it this number 2. This is fun. I saw it from internet. Okay, so you get 2 times 1. 2 times 1 will get you a 2. So answer is 225. Okay, you may try for further number. For example, 25 times 25. The number must be the same, and the last digit number will be 5. Okay, so immediately you write this in 25 here. Okay, so you make one of the number, 2 become 3. So 3 times 2 will get 6. Okay, if you press your calculator, this answer is true. So you may try for 35, 35. This number will become 4. So we'll give you 25 here. 4 times 3 will give you 12. Okay, you may try yourself for other. Okay, and let me know, is this true until the end? Okay, try it at home and let me know. Comment. Thank you. So yeah, year 7 we do this part. This year, today, now we need to do the square root. Okay, if this number, this 4 square root will become this number 1. Okay, and this 4, if square root, will give you 2. Not the whole thing, just the base number. 1, 2, 3, not the small 2, the power. So the 9 will give you 3. 16 will give you 4. 25 will give you 5. 36 will give you 6. 49 will give you 7. Okay, try to do until the rest. Okay, so and let me know whether you can answer this or not. Okay, and then today another focus for today is this one. This is the square number. This is the square. This is the square root. And this is the cube. And this is the cube root. Okay, so obviously 1 power by 3 cube is 1 times 1 times 1. So you have 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So the answer is still 1. This one is 2 times 2 times 2. So you have 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. 2 times 2 is 4, and then times 2 is 8. Okay, so you have this one. 3 times 3 times 3, you get 27. 64. 125. 125, right? 25 times 5, yeah. This is 216. Okay. This is 343. 512. 729. 1000. Okay. So doing reverse 3. Okay. So if 1 square root of 3, can you see the writing is different? This one without. This one actually have 2, but we don't need to write 2. And then this is 3. Okay, so cube root, okay, means that you will get the 1 here, not the 3, only the 1. Okay, and then 8. Where's the 8? Yeah, this is 8. So the cube root will be of 8 will be 2. Okay, same thing happens if I put 27, then the answer should be written as 3. And then this is 64, and then be written as 4. Okay, so you can do until the rest. Okay, I'll let you do later. Okay, so there's some special thing you need to focus on picture. Okay, this page is important. Okay, negative. Okay, still remember the biomass or bit mass. Okay, so the bracket always comes first. So in front of the bracket you cannot remove one. So this one will look like this. There's a 2, right? A small 2 means 2 lah. Repeat 2 times. What is repeating? Is the negative 1, negative 1. Okay? Negative, negative 1. So, we'll give you negative 1 times negative. So, remember 1 stroke, 2 stroke? Yeah. So, we give you 1 stroke, 2 stroke. 1 times 1 will give you 1. So, the answer is positive 1. Again, this one, negative 2, 2. Okay, I give you 1 second and try to think for answer before I write the answer. 1, go. So negative, negative, also positive. 2 times 2 will get you 4. Yes, thank you very much. Okay. So be careful. Okay. If this is negative 3, I think you can answer already. Negative 3 times negative 3 will give you positive 9. Okay. Watch out. This one and this one is different. This one and this one is different. Okay. How should we know the difference? I will write for you and you can compare the difference. This negative is negative. Okay. So the whole thing is power of 2. The whole thing is power of 2, which means that negative 1, negative 1. So now you need to count how many strokes you have. 1, 2, 3. This one become positive, so you have only 1. So it's negative 1 times 1, you will get you 1 because of the 3 stroke. Okay, 3 stroke, can you see? 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 3 stroke. Yeah, so the answer will be negative. Okay, useful trick, right? Okay, negative, negative 2, negative 2. Okay, so the answer is 1, 2, 3. So it's negative, and then you should write the 4 here. Okay, so again, this one negative, negative 3. So it gives you negative 9. Same thing happen. If square root 1 is 1, can you find square root of negative 1? Okay, this one, we have no answer for the moment. Okay, until you go for A level later. Even though this one don't have answer, but square root don't have answer, but negative number for the cube root, there's the answer. Okay, let's look for it. Why? Okay, so we need to write in long. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see my way of writing. I write the bracket first. Only I copy in the negative 1. Can you see? This will make you clear about what you are going to solve. Okay, this is negative, negative, negative. So the answer will be 1, 2, 3. Yes, so negative 1 times 1 times 1 will get you also 1. On the other hand, this one, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3 negative, and then the 2 times 2 times 2 will get you 8. Okay. Oh, can you see these two ideas? Negative 1, you can square root. If you square negative 1, the answer should be in the base number here, not the 3. The base number is negative 1. So, can you compare the difference? The cube root of negative 1, there is answer. However, the square root of negative 1, there's no answer. So, no answer for all the negative number here. But there is answer here. Okay. Okay, the rest. Also, the negative 8 is negative 2. Can you see? Because negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 will get you negative 8. Okay, so cube root of negative 8 will give you negative 2. Okay, this one is 2. Okay, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Okay, same thing happen here. This is, if if we get back the previous paper, cube root of 1000 will give you 10 power of 3. So the answer should be 10. So this answer should be 10. Same thing happened here. If this negative number, so it will give you a negative 10. Because negative 10 times negative 10 times negative 10 will give you negative 1000. Okay, this is Mr. Handy here. Okay, feel free to like our and TikTok, and also the Instagram. We will try to provide you the material you need. Just let us know if we have time. Surely we will try to put in our effort so that to help you on your learning. Okay. Don't forget to like us and share to your friend. Okay, to motivate us, because as if there is more comment and good feedback from the internet, surely we can run until the last lesson of this course. Okay, we are trying to do our best. Okay, index notation. Okay, that's how we have learned some. So if one with the one small one here, this means that the one only have one time. I put a bracket here. If two, that means this one will have two times. Can you see? If three means that there's a three bracket. Okay, so the answer for these three are the same, even though there's so many brackets there. Okay, for the 2 power by 1, obviously this is 2. And then you have 2 bracket, 2, 2. And then you have 3 bracket, 2, 2, 2. So for number 1 is 2, 4, and this is 8. And then this one have 5. It means that we have the 5 bracket times 5 times with the same number, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And then this one is 4. We have 4 by 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so many times. And then this one we have 8 times 8 times 8. Okay, you can press the calculator for your answer, but today's focus is this is so-called the index notation. Okay, so we'll do some exercise here. Okay, if this is negative 2 times 3, okay, just now we have done this one. So negative 2, negative 2, negative 2 will give you 3 negative, will give you negative 8. Okay, this is this is the thing we need to focus. In front, this is negative. Then we need to do negative 2 for 3 times. Okay, and then we may count. We may take all this together. Okay, because this is just how we have done this one. So it's negative. This will be negative 8. Negative will be positive 8. Okay. If you want to do shortcut, also can. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negative will give you plus sign. Okay, this one is negative times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So it's negative 9. Okay, this one is negative. And then we have 3 times of the negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. 1 negative, 2 negative, 3 negative, 4 negative. So this is even number. So it will be a positive 64. Okay. So, okay, to solve this question, I think we can play some fun on it. So the above is 6. Sometimes we write the cross, right? But if this question, you can also write bracket, or you can write the dot here. Dot also means that they are times, times each other. And then you have 2, 2, 2, 2. Then you can do the simplified. Okay, so your answer will be 3 times 3 times 3 will get you 27 over 2. Same thing we will do for this one. 9 times 9 times 9. This one we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so 3, then you have 3, and then these two will cancel out. 3, you have this one cancel out. 3. Yes, so your answer will be 1. 1. Okay. Okay. We have this one for our today's last class. Okay. So multiple of 1. Let's say we find out multiple of 1 here. Will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I write 5 multiple of 2, it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This means that this is 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5. So if I have a 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 1, 4, 8, 12, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is multiple. Multiple just like the multiplication table. Okay, if you memorize the multiplication table in primary school, case 1 and case 2, surely you can understand this one easily. Okay, this is so-called the multiples. What about the factor? Okay, factor, I need some explanation before I write the answer. 6, 6 is actually, can you see here? It's 1 times 6. 6 is also 2 times 3. So all these digits are the answer for the factor. So I have factor of 1, 6, 2, 3. I may write in increasing form 1, 2, 3, 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, this is the idea. Okay, now we have 8. 8. We know that 8 is 1 times 8, and then 2 times 4. There's no others, so I have 1, 2, 4, 8. Will be 1, 2, 4, 8. Next we have 10. 10 is 1 times 10, and then 2 times 5. There is no others, so my answer will be 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. Okay, for the 12, I think there's quite a lot, so I think I need to write it slowly. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Okay, so I have many answers, so I need to write it properly. So I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 6, and I have 12.